Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. Today is Monday 25th of July, and as you're going to see, this is the price action that happened today on gold, and we're going to have a look at it. Just let me bring you this, which is the economic calendar for the upcoming week. So today we didn't have anything special, anything really impacting the markets, especially on gold. But there's a big wait for Wednesday. Wednesday, the July 27th, is the day of federal interest rate decision. So, as you can see, is sort of expected 0.75 percentage increase, but it will probably be like this. So it will come as 2.5, but during the press conference there might be the sentiment that the Fed wants to it's really ready to use like a full 1% increase at the upcoming meetings. So even if we see that on Wednesday this is 2.5, but if Powell during the conference says that they are very ready to use the tools to use the one full base point interest rate hike of the upcoming week meetings, then there will be some bearish action. So as you can see, this was the New York Open was around here. So this is New York Open. The first hour and a half was not with much volume, and I was not trading it. So I know already that it went down bearish, so I'm not going to do the full backtesting like I did on Friday, but we're going to have a look at what happened today. So if we are coming at New York, we want to mark the chart. We have these liquidity / supply area, very nice supply area based on the 15-minute, and this is where the price already reacted. So if you were trading pre-New York or London, and you were looking at all these buys, these bullish buys through London, then yes, you can get some clean buys above this level 17, 29, 28, because we are breaking a huge PSA. The huge order block is broken. Price has been making the last sort of double bottom, last low. Now we are making a new higher low. At least we are trying. Yes, we are failing for now, but when we make a new higher low at this PSA here, sort of this on the lower time frame is a double bottom itself, then we have price action to go to at least the supply area, and looks very small actually, but is 100 pips from there. So this is what happened today in pre-New York, basically late London, pre-New York. Look where price reacted exactly. If you use the magnet, is exactly at this candle closes, exactly there, because this is the supply area, and that's where the price grabs some liquidity. And this is, as I said, New York Open. We're going to jump because now we use the 15-minute only to mark up. So we have this PSA where the price reacted multiple times. As you can see here, you can even lower it down like this. It's quite a bit, but it is like this. We have the most recent support base here and one quite strong support. Then if we go down, we might still have some demand area leftovers from here. So this is still a possible, these are all possible bounces. Even this can be a possible small bounce. And of course, if we have a bounce, then we have a sell area over here. We have a sell area over here. We have a huge sell area. Price breaks. We have a huge sell area at 1720. But if we reach the demand area, I will not look for sells, I would look for buys. And we're going to jump into the 1 minute, because I mean, we already know where price is going, so there's no point wasting more time. And we jump into the 1 minute. As you can see, this is New York open, exactly over here. So price grabbed some liquidity, then reacted at this PPL, exactly at these previous lows. And that's where price then started going bearish and started printing new lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, further lower low, lower high. And now we are in New York Stock Exchange opening, and we are seeing more volume in the chart. We are seeing the breaker retest of 1724, which, if you remember, is this support that I was telling you, that price breaks, then you can get the pullback and then the continuation down. The same that will happen here. Price breaks here, you have the retest and then a continuation down. So go back here. So this is New York Stock Exchange. We break below this the support, which means that in a bearish bias we are going to look for sells, and as you can see, very aggressive sells. You had the first buy set up here at this previous support, as I told you before. I mean, even here you could have the first touch, you could have bought for 10 pips scalps. Then you see that the pressure is strong on the bearish side. And again, here you have this rejection, you have this opportunity for buys. These are 23 pips scalps, and you can even immediately have this candle wick, leaving the wick at this PPL and closing bearish. So first you have quick scalp, 15 pips again. Then the price goes back here, easy breaking above, and maybe he wants to do another retest. Maybe this is almost the 10 p.m. candle, 10 a.m. candle. No, it's failing to break. So you have high risk entries over there, but you also have further entries above afterwards. So you have when this candle is strongly rejecting, so you have 1, 2, 3 candles leaving a strong top wick. Let me point them out. Tack, tack, tack. After this one left a huge top wick, after the price is failing to break above, as you can see here, no single candle is closing above, then that's where you can look for confirmation. You can even enter high risk, high reward over there. It really is not an issue. You enter and then you see you survive here, and you go for 37 pips with volume. And again, break, retest 1720. What I told you, that the support is broken, there's a retest, a pullback, and then you can take the sells. So I told you before, and I didn't know this exact price action. And I mean, this is a pretty straightforward candle. You can enter exactly this candle close, which is what I am also back testing. But you can even enter at this candle confirmation. Price is staying there. This is 18 pips scalps. Then price is failing multiple times to go above these previous highs. Failing, you have further confirmation. Now this is only 13, 12 pips before it jumps back. If you didn't take partials, you don't have to worry. Yeah, maybe this candle is quite scary. I agree. But is it breaking in any sort of form, even the PPL or even your sort of level of interest? I mean, because when you enter sells over there, let's say you have 15, 16 pips, whatever, your area of interest is not this PPL. So, okay, it's broken. No, your area of interest is this, because that's the last high, lower high that the price made in a downtrend. So that's what you don't want the price to break. So let me show you. Let me see if I can remember where it is. Gross feed. Yeah, okay. So let's say you have a downtrend, which is quite structured, like it's being like right now. Maybe not even, look at these highs, but you're still in a downtrend. Okay, you enter, stop. Okay, you enter here because maybe let's do like this. Maybe you have this. Okay, and you see that the price is here. So you enter. This is your entry because you saw that the price failed to break these previous highs. You enter over here. What you don't want is the price to you don't want the price to go above over there, above these previous highs. Doesn't matter if it stays here, as long as it stays here, unless it's clearly showing you support or showing you that the price is in a consolidation. You don't want to stay in as a scalper unless it goes over there and it closes over there. So that means that there's a higher chance that it will make higher lows and then higher highs, breaking there and going back up. Unless it closes like this, bullish, you don't have any fear. It's just noise. This is your reference. As long as the reference is safe, you stay in your trade. You can even don't take partials because there's no reason to. If it goes there, you take your loss. If it goes there, if it closes there, you can take partials. If it closes strong, you can take partials. Not like if it closes at the PPL way below your level of interest, because it might just take time and then you have the confirmation of price breaking below. That's it. So I hope you guys hope it was useful. And again, this is quite a nice trade, and still this same PPL further gave you further rejection. It's the same level, is giving you the same rejection and same also candle entry, which is exactly this one. If you can enter at the first one, you don't have to be perfect, but okay, you enter. Maybe you still have this reference. Maybe you want to this time you can use this PPL as a reference. So you say, okay, yeah, I already took, maybe today I took 1, 2. This one maybe was break even. I forgot to take this. I took this. It's all in 10 pips. So I took like 3-4 trades. Maybe 2 wins, 3 wins, 1 loss, blah, blah. Now you don't want to risk a full 15 or 20 pips stop loss because it's late, but the price action is very interesting. So what you do is you can enter here, and with this level as a reference, you can just give it 12, even 10 pips is sort of above your PPL. So I wouldn't suggest it because the price can still go to this week and do exactly the same, but take you out and then goes back down like here. I don't know now if it goes back down. I think now it will stay over there, but I don't care. You can do this, then jump back down and then go back up. Maybe you, for this single pip, you took a loss instead of a win or instead of a break even, and that matters. So you have this, you can have like 10, but even 12 pips. I mean, 12 pips is different than 15. It's, as you can see, is 0.02% difference. So it's quite a big difference. Doesn't look like, but it is. And it can cover you. I mean, if these 3 pips can be the difference between a losing trade and a winning trade, that matters a lot. And as you can see, even you have this, you might be, oh God, okay, I took a stupid sell because, I mean, clearly, maybe you are here. Let's say you are here. Let's go back. Let's do it like if it was live. So I enter there, and the next one is bearish. I know that maybe I don't think about this. I see, okay, reaction here. I take my sell. Let's see what happens. Then you have this bearish candle. So you think, okay, what can go wrong? I'm already in sells. So if it goes well, it goes well. So what I have to think is, how would I manage my trade in the worst case scenario? So the price can reject over there, can reject this previous higher high and make a new higher low. Okay, let's see. This candle is not strong. I mean, it's not strong, but we are not anymore doing full New York. So is expected. Next candle, okay, was scary, but it closes with a rejection. So this might be liquidity. If I see another bearish candle, I will still be happy. Okay, no, small but full bullish. And again, full bullish. And again, full bullish. No wicks. This one has a wick. Now I'm like 6 pips in drawdown. I don't really want to see the next candle closing like this. I don't want it. Okay, nice. This candle is perfect. If I miss this entry, this is my opportunity. The price is giving me another opportunity. Maybe you think, oh gosh, but I am selling in such an uptrend. Okay. You see the uptrend or you see a pullback. Why do you see a pullback? Because price almost went to our demand area and now we are not selling over here. We are selling at supply area. So this is our level for sells as much as this was almost our level of buys. So here you are not looking for buys anymore. Look at this price section on the left hand side. You're not looking for buys. Here you're looking for buys. And we can see if we know that, I mean, we are quite far away. We are 1 ppl away from the support, from the demand area, but okay, what is this price action? Price is giving a lot of lower wicks, makes a new high breaking above these previous ones. Very aggressive bearish candle, but is it making a new lower low? No, it's failing to do that. To do so, creates a support and bounces back up. So you have this first rejection. This can be also a sell. This entry taken high risk can be also a sell. And now is bouncing exactly at this PPL and is making a new, also on the trend line, higher low. And after that, the price just kept making it. And you can see a clear shift in volume from New York and after London close. Okay, so we are looking at the sells. This is very good. We're not that happy because we are reacting exactly over there. So that's why you don't really want to trade in low volume times. But this candle is exactly what I wanted here. Remember, I wanted a bearish candle after this one to go down. And this one is bearish, it's going down. Now I'm happy, it's small, I don't want it to give me another reaction at these lows. Okay, still bearish. Okay, now we're breaking. Now we want to see the reaction at the PPL. Okay, it's strong. No wicks in the bottom. I don't like it because we are bouncing from this PPL, but we are staying below these order block lows. Maybe I can give you like this, which is straighter. As you can see, we are staying below the previous lows. I want to see bearish candles. Bearish, bearish. Okay, there's some volume. And there we go. So now we are fine because now we are 10, 11 pips. Now we are just, free to go price can reject 20 pips, can bounce from here easily, but then it can still go down. We still have this way up, way down, but now there's not much volume, so the price can still consolidate. So let's see what happens. Goes down, gives you another almost possibility, but fails to break the support, and you see we are reacting basically at this previous support. And now think it will jump back up. Look how much this support is being created. You can see it here. Candle reacting at the same exact level, support. Price then is breaking above these previous highs, break, retest, in continuation up. Failing to break this level, let me do like this. As you can see, we are failing to break this previous BPL, but look at here, this PSA, look at BPL, if it breaks, and it goes back up. But, as I told you before, we are reacting at this same level on the left hand side. We are reacting over there. Let's see now if are we creating a support we want to buy. I mean, now is not much volume, but let's see. Do we want to buy? Now it's almost live, but look, 12 pips easily. So this is it. Okay, so guys, that was it. As I showed you, the price you see on the left hand side on the 15-minute didn't react at our PSA supply area, reacted at the last higher low in this bullish trend, which is a strong PSA. And as you can see, I just did, okay, let's, with the magnet where the candles closed, okay, look, that's where support were made. Exactly there. So that's why here you want to sell, here you want to buy. That's it. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you next time. Tomorrow.